Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Come home and relax in this architecturally designed home, a masterpiece of class, style, and elegance. It is located on Tulip Street, Longville Park, Clarendon. It comes with sliding electronic gate, electronic garage, and wooden staircase. All exudes the richness of this property. There are three bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms plus a powder room. The ground floor welcomes you with a veranda, family room, open concept living, dining and kitchen with breakfast counter and circular island. A bedroom with ensuite bathroom, powder room, and laundry room that leads to the paved backyard. Let's take the elegantly designed wooden stairs to the first floor, where the landing embraces you and leads you to a balcony with cool breeze and a sea view as far as Rocky Point and Port Esquivel. The master bedroom opens to a balcony overlooking the garden area and allows views of the Clarendon Mountains. The large walk-in closet and master bathroom with his and hers face basins, shower and plumbing fixtures installed for a jacuzzi all awaits you. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 28 million or US $181.9 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.